Dear students, today we read Unit 2 of the Lesson 5, Our Runaway Kite. Today we read the first two paragraphs of this unit. So, you all see your textbook and read with me. In this paragraph, in these two paragraphs, we know how was the weather in the island Big Half Moon and how Claudia and Philippa spent their times in the summer. So we start. It is always lovely on the Big Half Moon in summer. So how was the weather in summer in Big Half Moon Island? The weather was very lovely, that is very pleasant. When it is fine, the harbor is blue and calm with little wind and ripples. So when the weather is very beautiful, very lovely, the harbor becomes blue. The color of the sky becomes quite blue and the water also. And calm. Calm means quiet. With little wind, with little breeze of air and ripples. Ripples means small waves. So the water becomes rippling. You can imagine the picture. From this image, the harbor becomes very pleasant. There is small ripples in the water. You see that, and the total scenario is very pleasant. So every summer we had some hobby. Every summer of the season, Philippa and Claudia had some hobby. Hobby means their favorite playing or favorite things. So every summer they spent their times with their hobbies. The last summer before Dick and Mimi came, we were crazy about kites. So what Philippa said? The last summer, in the last year, before Dick and Mimi, their cousin, came, they were crazy about kites. Crazy means fond of. They were very fond of their kite flying. You see that? A smiley kite. So the little child, and obviously like you, the younger also, is very fond of kite flying. So a boy on the mainland showed Claudia how to make them. A boy, when in the winter they went to the mainland, a boy in the mainland showed them how to make the kites. So back on the island, so when they came back in their dear island, they made plenty of kites. Claudia would go around to the other side of the island and we would play shipwrecked mariners signaling to each other with kites. So in the summer, what they are playing? Claudia would go around to the other side of the island. Claudia go other side of the island and we and they would play shipwrecked mariners. Shipwrecked mariners meaning, shipwreck means an accident in which a ship is destroyed or sunk at the sea, especially by hitting the rocks, as you see in the case of the great ship Titanic, which was immersed by hitting a rock. And mariners mean one who navigates or assists in navigating or sailing a ship in a proper direction. So when a ship is wrecked, is abandoned, they are mariners for help to save their life, signals, they are anything that is long stick with the help of a piece of rotten or that means a cloth by sticking on a long stick, signal to the other to save their abandoned situation. So like them, like that mariners, as you see in the pictures, a wrecked ship you see in the picture here. So the little boy and girl play like the mariners by signaling them with each other with the kites. We had a kite that was big and covered with lovely red paper. So what Philippa said? they had a kite that was big and covered with lovely red paper. Like it, they had also a kite which is very big and lovely red paper. We pasted gold tinsel stars all over it and had written our names full on it, Claudie Litty and Philippa Litty, Big Half Moon Lighthouse. So to decorate the kite, they pasted gold tinsel stars. Tinsels means a little bit of shiny material that is very shiny like stars. They pasted on all over the kite and had written their name on the kite. Tinsel, you see that this type of which is naturally used to decorate a Christmas tree or like birthday party, they also use this to decorate their kite to make it lovely and attractive. And on the kite they also write their name, Philippa Litty and Claudie Litty, like this, Claudie Litty, Philippa Litty, Big Half Moon Lighthouse. Okay, so you all read the paragraphs, read 2 paragraphs very carefully and attentively. I think you all will understand. Okay, thank you.